Last time people say, oh, Malaysia cannot have Ganoderma. The Ganoderma only happened in China, Japan. No? They know nothing about Ganoderma. Ganoderma is so powerful, no? It can even grow in desert, in jungle, in your garden, except Antarctica, except this thing. No Ganoderma. Every part of the world, even in Bulgaria, even in Germany, even in Europe, full of Ganoderma in the jungle. Full of Ganoderma, even in India. From the north Himalaya until this Kerala, all have Ganoderma. So Ganoderma is so powerful, it exists everywhere. Good plant, yeah? But they love Malaysia. Because Malaysia jungle full of Ganoderma. I went to the jungle in China. I don't see many Ganoderma. That's why Ganoderma in China in ancient time is very costly. It's much more costly than ginseng. So you must understand the technology of the company. When other company, they say, oh, the quality of DXN products is no good. You ask them, what do you mean quality? Who can certify quality? Quality cannot be certified by the company, you know. Because all the company will say, oh, my product is the best quality. So the quality cannot be, quality cannot be, programmed by the company. Just like a student, you know, his qualification cannot claim by himself. His qualification must go through the exam, okay, then the result is his qualification. Am I right? For a company, the quality of products is always determined by third party through GMP, through ISO, through various of certification. Yesterday, Gigi, you say we have 2 GMP. We have more than 2 GMP. We have 1 GMP in Malaysia, 1 GMP in Indonesia, 2 GMP in India, no? 4 GMP we have. Plus 1 TGA from Australia, 5 GMP actually we have. And we have 3 ISO. ISO 2001 for the administrations, ISO 14001 for the organic productions, and most important thing for QC, quality control of the lab, we have ISO 17025. So those companies, they don't even have a QC section. They don't even have a QC ISO qualifications. How can they talk about quality with us? One member in Germany, he discussed the products in this thing. Then they said that one German company claimed that the product of DXN is poisonous. So we asked him to go and ask the company, how many customers do you have? The company have less than 10,000 customers. And we have 5 million members throughout the whole world, no? So if the product of DXN is poisonous, I think out of 5 million people, many people must have died already. So we are running and kicking. And Mr. Lee can even climb the highest mountain in Malaysia. Yeah. Whether a product is poisonous or not must be checked through laboratories. And we have this We have the best laboratory in the world for Ganoderma. ISO 17025. For the last many years now, I keep on talking about ISO 14001. I keep on talking about ISO 17025. Okay? Don't talk about ISO 2001. Many companies have the ISO 2001. But these two ISO, very few companies having. But when I attend all the seminars throughout the whole world, very few people mention about that. You know why? Because people, when they are not familiar, they don't talk about it. But you, as the leader of DXN, you must be familiar with this. This makes us different from other companies. So when they show you the organic certificate, you show them the ISO 14001. If they show you one GMP certificate, you can show them at least 2 to 3 from DXN. That's on Ganoderma. I think I need 5 hours to talk about that. So today just give you some glimpse.